Are you feeling tired, bloated, and low on energy? Your liver could be overloaded with toxins. Today, I'm going to reveal a powerful 5-day detox inspired by an old grandmother's recipe that will help purify your liver, aid in weight loss, and make you feel rejuvenated. Don't waste any more time. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell to not miss any more health tips. The liver is one of the most important organs in our body, performing over 500 essential functions. Detoxification, bile production, metabolism regulation, immune support, and nutrient storage. Its role is so vital that we cannot afford to neglect it. A healthy liver offers numerous benefits. Improved digestion, reduces bloating and abdominal discomfort. Regular bowel movements, promotes optimal bowel transit. Weight control, aids in weight loss. Increased energy, contributes to an overall sense of well-being and vitality. When the liver is congested and overloaded with toxins, we can experience a range of unpleasant symptoms such as chronic fatigue, bloating, and digestive difficulties. The key to avoiding these problems is keeping the liver healthy and functioning at its best. I've tried many detox methods: apple cider vinegar, ginger, water with lemon. But nothing worked like this. Why is this recipe so effective? What's the secret ingredient that makes it different from all the others? And how can you enhance the benefits of this detox even further? Stay tuned until the end because I'll reveal how to combine this detox with a secret technique that will triple the results. The recipe: how to make the 5-day detox. Now let's see how to prepare this powerful detox mix. The ingredients we'll use are natural and very easy to find, but they have an extraordinary impact on our body. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 lemons, 2 garlic bulbs, 125 milliliters of honey, about 1/2 cup. Preparation: mix the baking soda in a glass of cold water and stir well. Wash the lemons thoroughly and squeeze them. Peel and chop the garlic bulbs to release their active ingredients. In a jar, mix the lemon juice, garlic, and honey. Close the jar and store it in the fridge for 7 days. How to take it: take 1 tablespoon of the mixture in the morning or evening, 1 hour before sleeping. For best results, drink a glass of warm water or milk after taking it. This recipe is really powerful for cleansing the liver and stimulating digestion. But why does it work so well? Let's discover the secrets behind the ingredients that make up this mixture. Why this recipe is so powerful. The detox secrets. 1. Garlic, the toxin eliminator. Garlic is one of the most powerful ingredients when it comes to detox. It contains selenium, helps the liver eliminate toxins. Allicin, stimulates liver enzymes that aid in detoxification. Antibacterial properties, fights bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Cardiovascular benefits, reduces blood pressure and cholesterol. Brain protection, prevents degenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. In addition, garlic has been used for centuries as a natural medicine. Its effectiveness in purifying the body is recognized worldwide. 2. Lemon, the natural purifier. Lemon is another key ingredient in this recipe, known for its extraordinary properties. Vitamin C, strengthens the immune system. Bile stimulation, aids in fat digestion. Pectin, promotes gut health. Antibacterial properties, fights infections and inflammation. Lemon is not only a powerful purifier, but it also has a rich history. In many cultures, lemon has been considered a symbol of purification. 3. Honey, the liver protector. Honey is the ingredient that adds a sweet touch to our detox, but it's not just a natural sweetness. It also has extraordinary properties. Antioxidants, fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Liver support, helps prevent liver diseases. Glycemic regulation, keeps blood sugar levels stable. Additional benefits, soothes coughs and promotes restful sleep. Honey has been used in ancient times in cultures around the world for its ability to promote health and fight diseases. How to enhance the detox. The secret of intermittent fasting. Want even faster and more powerful results? Pair this detox with intermittent fasting. What is intermittent fasting? Limited eating window. Consume all meals in an 8-hour period, such as from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., and fast for the remaining 16 hours. Liver benefits. During fasting, the body taps into energy reserves, helping eliminate toxins and improving liver function. Overall health? It can contribute to weight loss, improved blood sugar levels, and reduced inflammation. Additional tips for an effective detox. Hydration. Drink at least 2 liters of water a day to support toxin elimination. Balanced diet. Eat a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Exercise. Engage in regular physical activity to stimulate blood flow and support detoxification. Historical and cultural details of liver detox. This detox isn't just a modern recipe. It has deep roots in ancient traditions that date back centuries. In many cultures, the liver has been seen as the key organ for purification and overall body health. Different civilizations, from traditional Chinese medicine to European herbalism, have emphasized the importance of maintaining a healthy liver as the foundation for a healthy life. Ancient Chinese medicine. In traditional Chinese medicine, the liver is associated with the wood element and the spring season. It's believed that the liver regulates the flow of energy in the body, and a balanced liver ensures health and vitality. Herbal and natural detox recipes have been passed down through generations to support liver function, using ingredients like milk thistle and dandelion, known for their purifying properties. Ancient Egypt. Even in ancient Egypt, body purification was vital for well-being. The Egyptians were experts in using plants and spices to improve digestion and detoxify the body. The use of honey, found in our detox recipe, was documented as early as 2000 BC and was used not only for its antibacterial properties, but also as a powerful tonic for general health. Mediterranean tradition. In the Mediterranean region, especially in Greece and Rome, people used natural ingredients like lemon and garlic to improve digestion and strengthen the immune system. The detox recipe I'm sharing is inspired by these traditions, combining ingredients known for their purifying and toning properties. Our grandmother, a connection to the past. The detox recipe you're about to try might seem modern, but it actually has roots in family traditions. Grandmothers, generation after generation, have always taught us that to stay healthy, we must nourish our bodies with what nature provides. The use of garlic and honey is a remedy passed down, especially in families that embrace a natural and healthy lifestyle. Now that you know all the secrets of this detox, I ask you, are you ready to cleanse your liver and improve your health? If you want to discover more tips to keep your body healthy and strong, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But here's a final question that deserves attention. What other natural ingredients do you know that can improve liver health? Share your experiences in the comments.